In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table on your Wix website. Whether you're building a personal blog, an online store, or a business portfolio, incorporating a table can elegantly present information in a way that's both aesthetically pleasing and easy to comprehend. Let's dive right in. To start, open your chosen browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. You'll need to log in with your account details if you haven't done so already. Once you've gained access and your dashboard loads, you're ready to begin crafting your new table. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find a neatly stacked panel that includes a button labeled Add Elements. Click on this button and a new array of options will appear, inviting you to customize your page with various features. Among the options, find and click on List. This is where Wix groups different list types, including tables. Clicking on List will propose several options that you can integrate into your page. Next, look for the Tables category under the same Add Elements section. Clicking it should present you with various table styles that Wix offers. With a variety of templates now in sight, take your time to choose a table that complements the design and function of your site. Once you've picked the one that suits your needs, click on the template to add it to your page. Once the table appears on your page, it's time to refine it further to fit your unique requirements. Click on the table itself to bring up a toolbar with additional customization options. Find and click on Manage Table to delve into deeper configuration. This feature allows you to organize and dictate the specifics of what your table will contain. You can adjust the number of columns and rows, input data, or even import it from an external source as necessary. After setting up the content, you'll want to ensure the table's layout works well with the rest of your design. Click on Layout to see various alignment and sizing options. It enables you to optimize how your table looks on different devices and browsers, maintaining a responsive design. The next important step is Design. Click on Design to customize colors, border styles, and text options. This is your opportunity to tie the table's aesthetics into the broader theme of your website, creating a seamless presentation. Lastly, click on Stretch. This feature expands your table across the width of your page or section, offering a full-width look that might just suit your design's needs. It assists with ensuring there are no awkward margins or space wasted around your table. And there you have it. A table crafting journey on Wix completed smoothly and effectively. By following these steps, you can add more functionality and polished presentation to your Wix creations. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!